it's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? But if it's raining in Manila, hindi kita maririnig. Nagkahigang mag-isang nanginginig. So I'll be waiting in Manila kahit di ka na babalik.